Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone with Payoneer. First, open your browser and type Payoneer into the search bar. Click on the official result, which should be payoneer.com. Once the page loads, click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email and password to access your account. After signing in, go to the top menu and click on Pay. You will see different options. If you want to send money directly to another Payoneer user, select Pay to recipient's Payoneer account. All you need is their email address. If you prefer to send money to a bank account, choose Pay to recipient's bank account instead. Now enter the recipient's email, the amount you want to send, and select the currency. Click Next. You will be asked to add a payment description. Fill this in, then click Next again to move to the final step. At this stage, carefully review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click Pay to complete the transfer, and that is it. If you're tired of high fees with Payoneer, there's a much smarter option, Wise. It lets you send and receive money worldwide at a fraction of the cost, and the exchange rates are way better than banks. You also get free virtual and physical debit cards to spend anywhere. Use the link in the description to create your free account and claim your first $800 transfer completely free of fees.